हाँ जी बेटा, नेक्स्ट we will today we will discuss a new indeterminate form, one more indeterminate form, 0 to the power 0. Then how to solve it? For example, if we are to eliminate limit x to the power x, now it is becoming 0 to the power 0 form. Now let ਇਹਨੂੰ ਸੋਲਵ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਰਨਾ? ਫਸਟ ਆਫ ਆਲ ਵੀ ਵਿਲ ਲੈਟ y ਇਜ਼ ਇਕੁਅਲ ਟੂ x ਟੂ ਦੀ ਪਾਵਰ x। ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਿ ਪਲੱਸ 2 'ਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਡੈਰੀਵੇਟਿਵ ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀ ਵੇਰੀਏਬਲ ਟੂ ਦੀ ਪਾਵਰ ਵੇਰੀਏਬਲ, ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਲੌਗ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਸੋਲਵ ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀ, ਬਾਅਦ ਵਿੱਚ ਐਂਟੀ ਲੌਗ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਸੀ। ਸੋ ਸਿਮਿਲਰਲੀ ਫਸਟ ਆਫ ਆਲ ਟੇਕ y ਇਜ਼ ਇਕੁਅਲ ਟੂ x ਟੂ ਦੀ ਪਾਵਰ x, ਨਾਓ ਟੇਕਿੰਗ log on both side, this is log x to the power x, so which is equal to x log x. Now taking limit x approaches to 0 on both side, log y, limit x approaches to 0, x into log x. Now it is becoming 0 into log 0 is infinity, so 0 into infinity form. So as we know, we will convert 0 into infinity either by 0 over 0 form or by infinity over infinity form. So I write it log x divided by 1 over x. Now it is becoming infinity over infinity form. So we can apply L'Hospital rule. Limit x approaches to 0, derivative of log x is 1 over x minus 1 over x square. So after simplifying, we will get limit x approaches to 0 minus x, which is equal to 0. So therefore limit x approaches to 0, log y is equal to 0. So y the value find करनी है, log y the value आई है, we will take anti log e to the power 0 which is equal to 1. So therefore limit of y is equal to 1. It means limit x approaches to 0, x to the power x is equal to 1. Now next question is evaluate limit x approaches to 0, sin x raised to the power tan square x. Again it is becoming 0 to the power 0 form. So again we will take it, let y is equal to sin x to the power tan square x. Now taking log on both sides, log y is equal to log of sin x to the power tan square x, so which is equal to tan square x into log of sin x. Now it is becoming 0 into infinity form, tan 0 0. अगर अब limit x approaches to 0, if limit x approaches to 0, as x approaches to 0, now it is becoming 0 into infinity form. So we will convert this into infinity over infinity or 0 over 0 form. So this can be written as limit x approaches to 0, log sin x divided by cot square x. Now it is becoming infinity over infinity form. Now we can apply L'Hospital rule. Now differentiate numerator and denominator. Derivative of log sin x is cot x and derivative of cot square is 2 cot x into minus cosecant square x. Now cot x ना cot x cancel हो जाएगा. Limit x approaches to 0, 1 over minus 2 cosecant square x. So which can be written as limit x approaches to 0 minus 1 by 2 sin square x, so which is equal to 0. So therefore limit x approaches to 0, log of y is equal to 0. It means limit x approaches to 0, y is equal to e to the power 0 which is equal to 1. So therefore limit x approaches to 0, sin x to the power tan square x is equal to 1. Now next question is evaluating limit x approaches to infinity pi by 2 minus tan inverse x to the power 1 by x. Now as x approaches to infinity, tan inverse infinity is pi by 2. Pi by 2 minus pi by 2 is 0 to the power 0. So it is becoming 0 to the power 0 form. So we will let y is equal to pi by 2 minus tan inverse x to the power 1 by x. Now taking log of on both sides, log of pi by 2 minus tan inverse x to the power 1 by x, which can be written as 1 over x, log, now pi by 2 minus tan inverse x, as we know that tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. ये बेटा तुसी +2 च इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक च रिजल्ट किया हुआ है, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So pi by 2 minus tan inverse x, pi by 2 minus tan inverse x is equal to cot inverse x. So इसी इत्थे लिख लांगे cot inverse x. So therefore this is log y. Now limit x approaches to 0, log y, limit x approaches to 0, log of cot inverse x, x approaches to infinity, x approaches to infinity, 1 over x. Now denominator is infinity. Now cot inverse infinity is 0, log 0 is infinity minus infinity, so it is becoming infinity over infinity form. Now we will apply L'Hospital rule here. Now limit x approaches to infinity, derivative of denominator is 1 and log cot inverse x, 1 over cot inverse x into derivative of cot inverse minus 1 over 1 plus x square. Now limit x approaches to infinity, minus 1 over 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square into cot inverse x. Now cot inverse infinity, again it will become 0, numerator is also becoming 0. Now it is becoming 0 over 0 form. We will again apply L'Hospital rule, limit x approaches to infinity. Now derivative of numerator, minus 1 over 1 plus x square, derivative जो तो करोगे, then we will get 2x over 1 plus x square whole square. The denominator the derivative minus 1 over 1 plus x square. So we will get limit x approaches to infinity, minus 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Now again it is becoming infinity over infinity form. We will again apply L'Hospital rule, minus 2 over 2x. Now it is becoming determinant form, something non-zero number over infinity which is equal to 0. So therefore log y as x approaches to infinity is equal to 0. So again y is equal to e to the power 0 which is equal to 1. So therefore limit x approaches to infinity, limit of y is equal to 1. Now next question is limit x approaches to infinity, 1 plus x to the power 1 by x. Now student, look at carefully. It is becoming infinity, 1 plus infinity to the power 0 by 0 form, new indeterminate form. So such question, again we will take y is equal to 1 plus x to the power 1 over x. Again take log on both sides, log y is equal to log of 1 plus x to the power 1 by x, which is equal to log of 1 plus x divided by x, log of y. So limit x, taking limit x approaches to infinity, limit x approaches to infinity, this is log 1 plus x divided by x. Now it is becoming log infinity of log infinity infinity divided by infinity. Now it is becoming infinity over infinity form. Now we will apply L'Hospital rule, infinity over infinity form. Now derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 1 over x is derivative of log of 1 over x is 1 plus x is 1 over 1 plus x. Now this is equal to limit x approaches to infinity 1 over 1 plus x, which is equal to 0. So therefore limit x approaches to infinity, log of y is equal to 0. So y is equal to e to the power 0 as limit x approaches to infinity, which is equal to 1. So therefore limit x approaches to infinity, 1 plus x to the power 1 by x is equal to 1. So in this way we will find the limits. Now one more question. Now limit x approaches to infinity, x approaches to 0, cot x to the power sin x. Now it is becoming infinity to the power 0. Now again we will take, let y is equal to cot x to the power sin x. Now taking log on both sides, so we will get sin x into log of cot x. Now taking limit x approaches to 0, this is becoming 0 into infinity, because cot 0 is infinity, log infinity is infinity, so we are getting 0 into infinity form. So we will convert this into 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity. So limit x approaches to 0, log cot x divided by cosecant x, log cot 0 infinity over infinity form. Now we will apply L'Hospital rule, limit x approaches to 0, 1 over cot x into minus cosecant square x, and derivative of cosecant x is minus cosecant x into cot x. So after simplifying it, we will get limit x approaches to 0, cosecant x over cot square x. So which can be written as limit x approaches to 0, cosecant x ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਲਿਖ ਲਿਆ 1 over sin x and cot square x sin square x over cos square x. एक साइन ਨਾਲ ਇੱਕ साइन कैंसिल हो जाएगा. limit x approaches to 0, sin x into 1 over cos square. So 1 over cos square ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਲਿਖ ਲਾਂਗੇ secant square x. Now it is becoming 0 into 1 means 0, simply determinate form, which is equal to 0. So again log y, limit x approaches to 0 is equal to 0. So y is equal to e to the power 0, which is equal to 1. So limit x approaches to 0, y is equal to 1. So limit x approaches to 0, cot x to the power sin x is equal to 1. Now next question is limit x approaches to 0, e to the power x plus 3x to the power 1 by x. Now this is 1 to the power infinity form, which is another type of indeterminate form. Again such kind of question we will take y is equal to e to the power x plus 3x to the power 1 by x. Again taking log on both sides, log y, log of e to the power x plus 3x to the power 1 by x, which is equal to log of e to the power x plus 3x divided by x. Now taking limit x approaches to 0, limit x approaches to 0, log 1 which is 0 divided by 0. Now it is becoming 0 by 0 form. So we will apply L'Hospital rule. Limit x approaches to 0, 1, derivative of x is 1, derivative of log of e to the power x plus 3x into e to the power x plus 3. So which is equal to limit x approaches to 0, e to the power x plus 3 divided by e to the power x plus 3x. Now this is becoming determinant form. So we will apply the limit 1 plus 3 divided by 1 plus 0 which is equal to 4. So therefore limit x approaches to 0, log of y is equal to 4. Therefore limit x approaches to 0 taking antilog e to the power 4. So hence limit x approaches to 0, e to the power x plus 3x to the power 1 by x is equal to e to the power 4. So almost बेटा ਤੁਹਾਡੀ exercise complete ਆ. ਸੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ questions ਕਰਨੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਅਗਰ ਕੋਈ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ doubts ਹੋਣਗੇ then send me on WhatsApp.